Easy recipe, how to cook slow cooker pulled pork. My friends, it is slow cooker season. Grab those crock pots and go run to make this easy pulled pork recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need is some pork shoulder or pork butt. I got mine from Costco. We buy big pork shoulders in bulk to save money and then just cut them up, put them in the freezer. So this is a freezer portion that I did have with my slow cooker. I am, of course, using Freshjax organic spices because they're the best. Literally, their seasoning is absolutely the best, and it will be in the description link below. And I'm using within this recipe 2 to 3 pounds of the pork shoulder, again from Costco, but you can get it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and put in some bone broth, 2 jars of fond bone broth, which I will also link down in the description link below. If you don't have bone broth, you could easily use chicken stock or another kind of vegetable stock, and using 4 cups of that. I'm going to go ahead and take my Freshjax Smoky Southwest. I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of it to put on top of the pork butt, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my crock pot. You can cook it on high for 6 minutes or 6 hours, or on low for 8 hours. And this video is sponsored by Freshjax Organic Seasonings. They have the best organic seasonings out there that don't have creepy carbs or creepy ingredients added, but also for every 2 large jars you purchase or gift set, they will donate a meal to prevent childhood hunger. You could easily use the Freshjax Grill Master spice, Thai spice, Greek spice. They have so many different spices. The Rosy Cheeks is one of my favorites, that you could make this for pulled pork tacos, pulled pork barbecue. You can make it a Greek wrap with your pork. There's so much that this recipe can be diversified because of the Freshjax seasonings that makes it super simple. And if you're really busy, this pulled pork recipe in your slow cooker is the easiest recipe. Such an easy recipe for a dinner idea or a lunch idea. So go ahead and cover your pulled pork. Let it cook on high for 6 hours, low for 8 hours, and then when it's done, you can add some barbecue sauce or low-carb barbecue sauce for your pulled pork to be put on top. I do like to use the extra Freshjax pink Himalayan salt and cracked pepper to put a little bit seasoning with the sandwich as well for the pulled pork. If you want to put it on a bun, great. If you want to put it on low-carb bread, great. Or if you want to put it simply on top of a chef salad, the Freshjax seasonings make this slow cooker recipe the best. Make sure you click like and subscribe. Bye, friends.